Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are back with another Kannada movie trailer reaction.
Yes, and this time it is Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari
Yes.
official trailer. So it has Yash, Radhika Pandit, and V. Hari Krishna in
Yes.
it in this movie.
So both husband and wife is there in this movie.
Yes, husband and wife. So we can see a lot of chemistry in between. So yes, I am very much excited. Though I couldn't understand whether this movie is a comedy movie or romantic movie or
Let's watch
action
the
movie.
trailer
Don't
first.
know. By seeing the thumbnail also we couldn't understand that much. So let's see, by seeing the trailer only we can get to understand. But yeah, Yash is a very good actor. We already have given our
Yes,
reaction on
right.
some of the
That's true.
movie.
Yes.
And KGF we all know that it
Yeah.
is a very good movie
Yes.
actually. So yes, we have a plan to give our reaction on KGF parts,
Yeah.
movie clips or parts.
Right.
Okay. So later on we will do. But now let's get started with the trailer reaction. But before that, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click
Yes.
on the notification bell. Chalo, let's get started.
Rocking star, yes. Ramachari.
Ramachari is the name, na?
Yes. Title है.
1972 ಇಂದಾನು ಈ ರಾಮಾಚಾರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೆಸರು ನೋಡದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರಾಮಾಚಾರಿ ನನ್ನ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ
Full on action.
Yeah. Wow.
ಯಾರೋ ನೀನು
Okay, he is Ramachari.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅವನಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ರಾಮಾಚಾರಿಗೆ ಲವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಯಾರು ಅನ್ನೋ ದೃಷ್ಟ ಹುಡುಗಿ
This is Radhika Pandit, na?
ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಿಗರೇಟಾ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಸಿಗರೇಟಾ
ಸಿಗರೆಟ್ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಿರ್ಬೋದು ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನು
Radhika Pandit, so is she North Indian?
ರಾಮಾಚಾರಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ
ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಸ್
ಏನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ
Okay, some foreign scenes are also there. Some good songs, I think so. Wow.
ನಾನು ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಹವ
Ah.
ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂದೇ ಹವ
Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari.
Yes.
I think this is a complete family entertainment movie.
Yeah,
Okay,
and,
it has
romantic scenes,
also,
some of the comedy
of
scene
comedy
you will be
scenes
able to see,
also,
and also
and,
lot of actions.
actions. Yeah,
Yes.
some no joke like between husband and wife, or girlfriend or boyfriend. This kind of like, why you have talked with that girl. Just friends, then why you go,
Yeah,
something like that, as she was telling, I think. So it is a complete package, you can say. So family entertainment,
Yes,
kind
you
of
can say
like that,
right.
na?
And a lot of
We
good
can say.
songs also, and music wise it was superb.
Yeah, it reminds me of Shah Rukh Khan's movie actually. Like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai or Mohabbatein,
like that.
kind of
Yes.
like good foreign scenes, songs are there, some couple of
Yes.
and
Some good chemistry
chemistry between the hero and the
Yes.
heroine,
Right.
and in between some things will happen,
and also
some action
I think
will
we have
come.
seen that a lot of it means it's revolving around the college scenes.
College
and all,
scenes
yes.
also as well.
So I think
I
they are
think
starting.
that is the starting of
yes.
their love chemistry, and after
Yes.
that they will face a kind of like problems and all, and they will overcome those problems.
Yeah.
And after that they will get reunite. So a kind of this movie, this is not a unique concept. We have already seen a lot of movie like this concept only, like good foreign scenes will be there, some fighting will be there, some action, some romance, some comedy also in between.
That's true, and
so
also
mixture.
yes, he is of course, no doubt, he is a handsome.
He's a
star.
handsome guy.
Yes,
He's
handsome
very
star
handsome.
from Kannada movies. Yes,
Definitely.
He's
And
very
I
handsome
really
also.
like his
expression.
complexion.
Complex and as well as his expression also.
Yeah.
That whatever he looks through his eyes and those
Yes.
things are being cast in KGF as well. His eyes expression was superb. Yes.
Actually, he has that power, eye expression, and it is like some of the actors' quality, you can say.
Yes.
Some of the actors are very physically strong. Some of them are expression wise very strong.
Yeah.
So he is that kind of categorized actor whose expression and eye speaking power is a lot.
Yes,
And
that's true,
KGF has
yes.
utilized that thing only.
Yeah.
So here also we saw the fire was there, and he was just
Yes.
blowing that fire,
That
and
expression.
his eyes expression was like superb.
Yes.
I
And
really
also
like
while
that portion.
fighting inside the playground of the school college. I
College,
think.
there also.
we have
We
seen.
have
And
seen.
his action wise also, he's too much active guy as well.
Yeah.
So
His
he
physique
does-
and everything is very strong and
Yeah.
very fit. He is
Right.
very fit actor actually. So we really like him. We really like KGF scenes also. We saw KGF,
Yes.
right? And we really liked that also as well. And that day we have given reaction on some of the movie. Na? Masterpiece. Yes, that also was like good only.
Yes.
So yes, today's content was very good. You can definitely go and check today's this
Right.
content and this movie actually.
And
So
this
I
movie
am not sure.
doesn't seems to be a unique movie, so I will
No.
give a 9 out of 10.
Yes.
Just because of concept.
I'll also give 9 out of 10 because
Yes.
of concept and everything. Execution wise, it is
Execution
good.
wise, it's good. Music and all, everything was
Yeah.
good.
So
And
the trailer wise
cinematography you
also,
can see.
cinematography
Yes.
was also good.
Right.
So we can well understood the concept of the movie.
Concept
So
of the
trailer
movie,
wise
yes.
also it is very
Yes,
well
they have
executed. You
synced
can say
very well.
very well.
Yes.
So is this movie released already or
Yes,
not?
this movie
Released, na?
I think released in 2015.
15
Yes.
because this one got released in 14 December.
So I
So
think
maybe.
we are expecting that this God has released in 2015.
Maybe. So yeah, overall it is a good concept, and we have seen a good video today.
Yes.
Overall, we can
Action
say
video, you can
action
say.
video, not action fully, romance, touch of
Yes.
romance,
Touch of
comedy,
romance
everything is
but,
there.
but in trailer
Tarka.
only mostly they have covered the action scene.
Yeah.
Yes.
Definitely. So we really liked this video. It is a 9 out of 10.
Yes.
So it is a decent actually, not the best you can say, but decent. So yeah, I really hope that you will also like the content for today. Now this is the time to read the comments.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Jaya Pandian
Yes.
Palani Sami, and he is telling Katti movie Pakka Vantu song react please. What do you think about Vijay sir's dance? I am waiting your video. So
Yes, of course, Vijay sir dance is
he
definitely
is
no doubt is outstanding.
outstanding dancer,
Yes.
and we already have told several times this thing. We already have given reaction
on his dance mashups
steps,
also.
dance steps or mashups you can say. So definitely you can go and check in our channel.
that
It
was
is there.
outstanding, and
That is
yes.
outstanding, and yes, he's a very fabulous dancer actually.
Yeah.
That is we
Full
think
of energy
about
you can say.
Vijay Sir's dance. Yeah, and one more request you told Pakkam Vantu song react, right? Okay, we will search and give a reaction on that.
Yes.
Definitely. So thank you so much Palani Sami for watching and for commenting. So the second comment for today's video is from Padvala Vaskar, and he is telling guys react to original Pokkiri of Mahesh Babu, which was huge, biggest hit in South India and second highest grosser in India 2006. This film is remake of Bollywood as Salman, Tamil by Vijay, Kannada, Bengali, and more than much impact created by this film. Hope you react to it. Thank you. Okay,
So I was not sure that
we
the
are not sure
original was
which one is
made
the
in Telugu.
original
Okay.
one. We are not sure actually, but yeah, that is good only if
Yes.
some
Lot of
influence will be there,
yes.
and other language movie will be created.
Yes, I think the story wise in every language it's same only.
It's same only.
And yes, acting wise no doubt whoever acts like
Yeah.
it's Salman Khan sir or Vijay
Vijay
sir
sir
or
or-
Mahesh Babu sir, everybody is a fabulous actor. They can do anything.
They can do anything, and
Yes.
they they are fabulous actors. So we cannot speak much about that. We definitely have enjoyed Hindi wala Pokkiri,
Wanted.
which is Wanted. That is fabulous because Salman sir is also a very good
Yes.
actor, and we also have seen some couple of scenes of Vijay sir also. We have a plan now to see the Telugu
Mahesh
version
Babu,
of
yes.
this movie by Mahesh Babu. Definitely we are eager
Yes,
to see.
right.
Right, so yes, thank you so much Bhaskar for watching and for commenting.
Yes.
So the third comment for today's video is from Povizi Rajendran, and he's telling nice singing, and he's commenting on one of my Bengali Ravindra Sangeet song,
Yes.
which I sang on the birthday of Rabindranath Tagore, and he's telling nice singing. I think I used to sing this in the school. Are you a KV student? Okay, you sang this song in the school,
Okay.
but I am not a KV student. I done my schooling from
West
Kolkata,
Bengal.
West Bengal only,
State
not
board,
Kendriya
yes.
Vidyalaya. So yes, yeah, I think most of the Bengali medium or Hindi medium or
Yes,
English
in-
medium also used to
in-
sing this song.
Yes, in my school also in
Yeah.
ICC this
ICC
songs
board.
people used to sing, but
Yes.
I generally used to escape.
Because this song is a little bit difficult
Yes.
to pronounce and all.
Right.
So yes, that is Bengali song. Most of you have asked also that what language is that. It is Bengali, and the song was written by Rabindranath Tagore,
Yes.
who is a very famous
Legend.
writer, legend. So yeah, that's all. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. I really hope that you like this content, and thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, whatever subscribers and who watch our videos on a regular basis. Thank you to each and everyone once again. And yeah, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.